Good morning, everyone. Just as the train passes, hello, how is anyone? Moo, give us a good welcome. Oh, are you licking her? Did I interrupt? I'm sorry, I was gonna pet her.
You've done the most terrible of deeds.
How could I have done this?
How could you have?
Oh, tragedy.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
We're on Planet Moo.
Oh, God, I'm so sorry, Daisy.
Nice. You almost hit her with a can.
Completely startled her. I'm so sorry, Daisy.
Daisy, okay?
You good?
Oh.
How
Yeah,
awful.
that's cat dad for you.
Yeah.
Clumsy. He goes, like under his breath. Okay.
Slight frustration.
Boo boo, I'm taking this away. And of course she's gonna come attack it. There, now you can't jump. Oh, he'll jump, but...
Yeah, I'll try.
Meow!
I love that she attacks it when it moves.
So funny. His eyes looking quite a lot better, much less red.
Yeah.
Boo boo, show it.
Good boy.
Show your eye. Oh. Okay. Goodbye. I guess
Not
there's
so
that.
pinky, but equally as stinky.
Oh, cutie.
Happy boy.
Cutie boy. Are you happy, good boy? Do you know how to be a happy good boy on Planet Moo? This dimension's definitely getting a bit out of hand.
It really is.
The cardboard cutouts of us everywhere are really starting to creep me out.
I know, right?
Like,
I thought they were cute at first. I
Yeah.
thought they were fun. I thought they
Yeah.
were kind of festive, dressed up. Now
Okay.
they're changing positions, and I don't remember Moo getting new ones.
No.
But they're only slightly changing positions, and it's only when we're not looking.
I'm getting uncomfortable.
I'm getting really uncomfortable.
Some
with it.
SCP. This is actually where the SCP Foundation is originated from. Planet Moo.
They fled because they couldn't contain it all, but...
Site 13. Oh,
This is what happened.
He head flicked, he knows. Yeah, good boy.
Good
Oh
boy.
no,
Happy-
you
happy good
destroy
boy.
Earth.
You
Good
destroyed
boy.
Hi.
Yes, I am wearing this. Are you crying? Are you music? Yes, I'm not kidding. The captions list him as music.
He's very musical.
When he noms. There's a rhythmic beauty to it.
There's a very rhythmic beauty to it.
You hear that, boo boo?
It's entrancing, enchanting, encasing, encapsulating.
What? No, I can smell yours. You can't smell mine. Typical brother behavior. He's mine. Oh, yeah, that's great. Okay. Your brother really took you in, Aurora.
Congratulations, sweetie.
You get the food
You've been
mixed
quite
in.
welcomed.
You stand up.
My boy,
He's
boy.
standing there. He goes. I adore that. Ma. Come on, attack it. Ready? Yes. He goes, man.
Aw.
Oh no, Aurora's meow is getting deeper than his. Oh no.
Oh, tiny boy.
Oh, he really is tiny. Itty bitty tiny little boy. I'm gonna show this real quick.
Boy.
I'm coming in through the Christmas gnomes. I'm gonna give you an aquarium update.
Wonderful.
It's the same.
It's doing well. I moved a singular plant because they dug up two of them, and I replanted the other one exactly where it was.
We have a cuddle bone here for all of the wonderful snails. So many snails. This one's asleep. Sleepy snail.
Sleepy snail. They sleep with their siphons out because they have both lungs and gills, and their siphon breathes air.
I zoomed in on it.
activating their lungs.
Wonderful. Thy lungs. Let me get this near right in here.
Wonderful little guy. Okay.
It's so hard to focus. Same. That's its mouth on top. Perfect.
Wonderful.
Amazing.
Incredible. Growing very lush.
Lush. As lush as can be.
As lush as Daisy.
Ah! So good. Oh my god. Guys, I think I'm gonna hyperlapse them. I really like them. I don't know. Like when I rewatch the
Yeah.
videos, they always make me laugh really hard. I just find them hysterical. I like adding dramatic music over them. Something about it really just like, it's great. It's good.
Beautiful.
It's just perfect.
Truly, truly beautiful.
It's just dun dun dun, and then very dramatic music.